Good afternoon. Welcome back / Radio Control Toys. My name is Will. Thanks for tuning in to the new channel. Got another Xmaxx video for you. Disassemble. Xmaxx. We're taking the lower control arms off, the upper control arms off, and the skid plates off. Okay. Not sure which camera I'm going to use. I'll wing it. But I appreciate you watching and subscribing. Leave a comment if you want me to do a shout out. So, ordered new tires and wheels, orange. New shock shaft protectors, upper and lower control arms, front and rear bumper, or rear bumper. I didn't order the front bumper because it'd take forever to get, so I'm going to try to salvage one of the old bumpers I took off another truck. I'm going to check the axle shafts and see how messed up they are. But I ordered the new cooling fan. Skid plates. I didn't order the MAXX 6 yet. I'm waiting for everything else to come in before I actually throw the gauntlet down on that one. But that's a big bill. I just spent $150 in tires and wheels, so let me absorb some of this loss, you know. And I ordered the body too. The body comes with the inner skeleton and all the back bumper protector. I gotta order the rear cover that slides up and protects it from the back bumper so it don't crush the body. I'll order that too. I'll do that as soon as I get off the... Actually, you know what? I might do it right now. Traxxas orange Xmaxx parts. Bear with me 1 second, guys. They had all kinds of neat crap. Order an orange jump turtle. Ooh. That's sharp. Look at that. Wish I did that in orange. Anyway, I'll deal with that afterwards. Let's get back to this video. I'm gonna flip you over right now. There we go. Off to the races. This has been previously loved. Okay. I don't know how to do this. I guess you're gonna have to stay over there, guys. Move it like this, I guess. Probably shouldn't be doing this, stabbing towards myself. This one's frozen right in there, guys and gals. Let's take this other piece off here. Wow. Really in there, huh? starving. I got meatballs in a crock pot. And this is going to go outside. Give it back. Oh no, thank God. Please just come off. Just come off this. Bulkhead. I'll epoxy that. I ain't digging into a bulkhead. I'll wash this all down, get it all nice and clean. I'm not digging into no bulkhead. Okay, well, that's got to come out. Not digging into no bulkhead now. Okay. I'll do these other ones later. Let me just get this video done because this one's going to be a long one. Short one, I don't know. nice. Nice and tight, good. These are what I was worried about. Yucky. They must have replaced these because these are like new. What? Potty? Potty? I had to take the dog out. See you in a bit. Sorry about that. Nature calls, nature calls. There is some bearings. I don't have them in that one kit. I have them in another kit. As tore up as this truck was, this upper bulkhead in the front being broke was the least of the problems. Oh, epoxy. Look how thin that is. I'll epoxy the hell out of that. Ooh, listen to that. I'm gonna let these soak. Wow, listen to that. Take care of your equipment, people. This is why I don't make any money on these rebuilds. They nickel and dime you to death. I'll let these soak in there. Those are the backs. I should have bearings for it. We'll know when I go to put it together. I got a list of parts. I can order the bearings. But I gotta ship that mud boss out in the morning. Thank you for watching. Please hit like and subscribe if you like the content and you like the videos. Told you I got an Xmaxx for you. It's going to cost $1 million, but it'll be badass Xmaxx when it's done. And you know we're bashing it. I don't give a shit. I bashed the blue one after I rebuilt it. So I'll bash this one too. As always, thank you again, guys, to my subscribers. Let's share the videos so we can get hit 100 subscribers. That would be nice. That's my target goal. Nothing happens with a YouTube channel till you hit 1,000. My nephew Sean calling me. I'll call him back. Sean, you're interrupting my video, damn it. But anyway, have a safe summer. Peace.